And now a look at the world-famous Cosmic Cruiser, a super van that was built way back in the 1970s. Well, Canadian artist Ivan Benic has refreshed this beast and is ready to take it back on the show car circuit. Now we're going to have a full report on this incredible piece of machinery in an upcoming episode of the SST Car Show, but for today, here's a sneak peek.
I'm not a writer.
Okay.
The moments for those who
Turn back the hands of time with antique Chevrolet parts. Since 1971, we've been sourcing parts from around the world to help you restore and maintain antique Chevs. Nose to tail fins, we have your parts. Call us toll free at 1-866-767-2787. Get help from a real person or go to antiquechev.com. Download a catalog, order online, delivered to your front door. Antique Chev, helping you turn back the hands of time.